Zone out. Let the world fade. It's my time.
So guys, latest upgrade to the AAP. I've added the cow enhanced plastic nozzle. So hopefully that makes a wee bit of a difference. Tomorrow I should be getting my low-key hop-up dispatched. So that should be here before the weekend, before game day. Here it is. I can't really add it onto the pistol because the pistol gets banned, but there we go. Starting to look quite good. I'm keeping all the outside here all original black, except for the screen, and all the internals will be fully upgraded.